Hello, hello. Welcome to the first episode of What a Song. And as much as I had thought of the series when I had heard a song, that's when I made the podcast. I created the podcast and designed the cover, but I no longer remember what song it was. And after having this song going on in my head for quite a long time, I finally sat down and I was like, you know what? इसकी तो बात होनी चाहिए. The song that I'm talking about is Jagannath Chakanen, and this song is full of love and lovely emotions. Now, when we're looking at it, so many people sing it in different, in their own emotions, and each type of singing brings out, I believe, a different emotion of what they want to convey to the god. So Jagannath Chakanen is a bhajan. It is a bhajan, not a song. And it is, I would say, a conversation type of a thing between the bhakta and the god. So starting off with the line, Jagannath Chakanen, Jagannath Chakanen, लीला चलवरे, तू न संभाले तो हमें कौन सवारे, हाँ तू न संभाले तो हमें कौन संभाले. Now the wordings are not quite defined. Some people say savare and then some people say sambhale. I mostly go with sambhale. Now what it means is that Jagannath Chakanen. So Chakanen means round eyes. Now Jagannath ji has very noticeable cute big round eyes. Now people say that they hold the whole Brahmanda, and sometimes it just gets me overwhelmed with Are Bapre, how much of a meaning can you put into one line? And this truly does it. It's like Jagannath, the one with round eyes. Then it comes Leela Chalware. So Leela Chalware means the person who does the Leela, somebody who does it all. Then it says तू न संभाले तो हमें कौन संभाले. Now according to the tone, when I sing it, it's like तू न संभाले तो हमें कौन संभाले, हाँ तू न संभाले तो हमें कौन संभाले. I look it as if I am telling him, trying to convince him कि अरे बाबा, if you aren't there by my side, who else is gonna be? And when somebody so at the end of the day, you're not doing enough, like you're not asking enough help, you do get like a sense of guilt. And I see it that way, I have done so wrong, but if you're going to leave me, who is going to be there by my side? That's how I see it. And sometimes I also see, sometimes when they sing it, I see it as if they're having a conversation with God, and I find it extremely cute. Then going on, there is मेरी ये नैया है अब तो तेरे हवाले, हाँ संभाले, हाँ तू न संभाले तो हमें कौन संभाले. So मेरी ये नैया है अब तो तेरे हवाले. It's like this is how I see it. So you know how you have to say that you are in a boat of life and you have to steer it to the end point. So this the person saying ki the boat that I am sitting in, you're the one who's steering it. So if you don't like, you're the one who's steering it, I've given you the control. So if you don't steer it, who's gonna steer it? And I think it comes like how you see it is that you are somebody who is alone. Like you come alone, you go alone, you come with nothing, you go with nothing. But then the only person that can enter your boat is him. And अब वो जाएगा तो फिर नैया कौन तारेगा? Right? So that is how I see it. So much meaning to lines. Just drives me crazy. Then we've got तुझे छोड़ता. Wait, give me a second. तुझे छोड़ जाऊँ मैं किसी के द्वारे, हाँ तुझे छोड़ जाऊँ अब मैं किसके द्वारे. तू न संभाले तो हमें कौन संभाले, हाँ तू न संभाले तो हमें कौन संभाले. Then it means if I leave you, then who do I go to? The literal translation is, if I leave you, now whose door do I go to? And it's so like when the person sings this line, the thought that comes to my mind is like, you know, you've had this very small banter with the God and he's like, chhod ja mujhe, like, you know, leave me alone. And then the person's like, अरे अब मैं तुझे छोड़ जाऊँ तो किसके द्वारे जाऊँ मैं? Like who do I go to if I leave you? And that I think says a lot about the love the person has. So the main lines of the bhajan are always लीला चलवरे तू न संभाले तो हमें कौन संभाले. The one who is doing all of this. अब तू नहीं संभालेगा तो कौन संभालेगा. And when I sing, I usually put I don't do it intentionally, but it always comes out as if I am emphasizing on who, you know. तू न संभाले तो हमें कौन संभाले, हाँ तू न संभाले तो हमें कौन संभाले. It's just beautiful. And the next line, okay, so right after तुझे छोड़ जाऊँ अब मैं किसके द्वारे comes the line, जगन्नाथ स्वामी मेरे नैनों के तारे, हाँ जगन्नाथ स्वामी मेरे नैनों के तारे, हाँ तू न संभाले तो हमें कौन संभाले, हाँ तू न संभाले तो हमें कौन संभाले. So how I see it is that after the banter, थोड़ा लड़ाई गुस्सा हुआ, फिर तो भक्त गोस बहुत प्यार से कि तू तो मेरे नैनों का तारा है, और अब तू नहीं संभालेगा तो कौन संभालेगा. In that I see it as that innocence and that love and that persuasion, coaxing कि अरे तू तो मेरे नैनों का तारा है, अब तू नहीं संभालेगा तो कौन संभालेगा. So lovely, with so much pure emotion, the person's singing. That is how I see it. And then comes the last stanza that I found. There are few more stanzas, but I didn't quite hear it in the song. So there is मेरे सब काज स्वामी आप सवारे, हाँ मेरे सब काज स्वामी आप संभाले, हाँ तू न संभाले तो हमें कौन संभाले, हाँ तू न संभाले तो हमें कौन संभाले. So it's like you're doing everything in my life कि लीला भी आप ही कर रहे हो, नाव भी मेरी ही संभाल रहे हो, तो अब एंड देन यू आर ऑल्सो काम काज भी मेरे कर रहे हो, तो अब इफ़ आई लीव यू देन हु डू आई गो टू. एंड देन यू आर द क्या बोलते हैं, यू आर द ट्विंकलिंग स्टार्स ऑफ माई आईज. Wait, so let me put this in a better chronology. So it's like लीला भी आप ही कर रहे हो, नैया भी मेरे संभाल रहे हो, मेरे काम काज भी आप ही कर रहे हो. अब आपको मैं छोड़ जाऊँ तो मुझे कौन संभालेगा. Like if you're doing everything starts with you, ends with you, then if I leave you, then who will take care of me? Who will run my life? I think that's the whole idea you can take out of it. And I think that got me to tears today. I usually don't cry over music, but ये तो भाई अलग लेवल का प्यार है. And it's beautiful. It's truly beautiful. So I heard this song made me emotional, and I'm not gonna sit alone with it. आप भी सुन लो. So that was it for today, and I really hope you get the chance to listen to it, and I really hope that you feel the same pure, innocent, unadulterated love that I saw in this bhajan.